I can't believe I found this at a pawn shop for $10. Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready
to hit some thrift stores. See what they got in here. This is our third stop, so it's not every thrift store you find something. So we went to Salvation Army, nothing. Checked the pawn shop, nothing. So we gotta give this a try. Places are usually a little bit busier on Saturdays. Expensive Game Boy stuff. It's a Game Boy with 4 crap games for $60. Good deal. Alright, here's 2 things I found so far. We got this Burt Reynolds Stroker Ace movie. I have not seen this, so I'm definitely gonna get it to watch it. And it goes for about $15. So definitely go check that out. And then look at that nostalgia there. Blockbuster Video VHS case. King Kong vs. Godzilla. Now that movie itself isn't worth much, but it's in the Blockbuster case, so I'm gonna see if we can get something out of it, or I might keep it. You know how long it's been since I've seen a VHS bootleg movie? Well, it's got the wrong movie in it, but look at that. I remember buying them bootleg VHS tapes at the flea market years ago. Crazy stuff. Look at that. Just checking some VHS for the heck of it, you never know. Alright guys, just getting out of that St. Vincent de Paul. We didn't get a whole lot in there, and that place was packed today. Got this Wonder World cartoons, Hansel and Gretel. There's only one listed that was open, and they wanted like $20 for it, and this one's still sealed. So we'll see what happens. Apparently the media was 25% off, so wasn't that bad. And there's that King Kong vs. Godzilla, Stroker Ace. And I found these, I've never seen these before. Like these little mouse dolls. They're get the brand here for you. Anna Lee. These are from 2005. They still got the tags on them. They were $3. Actually, I think she rang them up for $1.50, I think. So something like that. But they had a little money off too. So they're still new with tags, and looks like some of these do very well. So that's like Colonial Mouse, and then we got Town Crier Mouse. So hear ye, hear ye. So yeah, we'll see how these go. Never bought them before, so spending like $4.85. What are you doing? Hey, I didn't even know that was back there. Good find. Just a $35 movie down in the crack. Thanks, buddy.
You're welcome.
Hey guys, I went to the Salvation Army after work today. I didn't have my GoPro with me, but I just want to show you a couple things I picked up. I thought this was gonna be okay, but ended up being a flop. This was $2.99. These they're not old. They're newer, but they're like paper doll books. Got the colonial era, old-fashioned children, and antique dolls of the 1890s. Well, since they're in a bag, you couldn't tell. There's been pages ripped out, and you know, they've been messed with and played with already. So I'm probably not going to sell these. Maybe I can my wife can find a little girl, somebody's little girl at her work or something. I might like them. So we're just gonna give those away. But that happens, man. That's what sucks when things are in bags like that. We got this Peppa Pig Delphine Donkey paints a picture. It was 99 cents. Should be able to make about $8 or $9 plus shipping on it. Why not? This is my favorite find here. Got these Bengals, like night pants. They're made by Zubaz. It's a new Legos. They're not like real old. But have you ever seen the comedian Donnie Baker? He was on Bob and He used to go on Bomb and Tom for years. But he wears like pants like these, and I think they're hilarious. But I just go wear them around the house at night. They were my size, so that worked out. Then I noticed some glasses. I look in there every once in a while, but we got some Vogue glasses here. Let's see, we got Vogue. I don't know if they're vintage or not, but they should make some money. All the glasses were 99 cents. These are all reading glasses too. Then we got some Calvin Klein's. Pretty nice. Actually, I want the Calvin Klein's. One of the lenses is missing. Then there was two pairs of Ray-Bans here. There's too much shadow in here. Got a Ray-Ban here in like a darker blue. They're both the same. And it might be about the same actually. But they should go for about 20-30 bucks a piece maybe. So paid $1 a piece for them, so that wasn't bad. So that's just my quick stop. I don't know what else is in this video, but enjoy it. Hey guys, I want to show you another little haul. I went to Goodwill at lunch at work today. Again, I didn't get to film, but I just want to show you what I picked up. Spent like 30 something bucks. First up, we got this Narcisco Rodriguez for her. It's got a big bottle of 3.3 ounce bottle of perfume, some body lotion and shower gel. That was 10 bucks, and this should go for around 60 to 70. And they had some of these soccer bobbleheads. This is the only one I picked up. This is Lee Nguyen. I don't know how to say it. It starts with N. Nguyen. So it looks like it's autograph on the front. It was $4, so we just took a chance on that. Hopefully we'll get something out of it. We picked up this brand new Fitbit Flex. This is an older version. What year did this come out? 2015. So it's not like highly desirable, because there's a Fitbit Flex 2, I know that, probably a 3. But it was 12 bucks. I'm thinking I could get around 40 for it. And we picked up a couple of DVDs. We got Louis to complete season 3. This should go for around 25 to 30. And yeah. This one was called Outrageous. This is like an old drag queen movie or something. I just seen that, like, when I'm looking at DVDs, I'm looking for stuff that doesn't look familiar to me, that I haven't seen. So that's why I even grabbed that one and I scanned it. Recent ones sold for 35. There's like 2 listed and the cheapest one's 50. So I might try to go around 40 on this. We'll see what happens. So yeah, definitely a good little haul. So hopefully I can make around 100 bucks profit. Not bad for like a 15-minute thrift stop on my lunch break. Pretty cool.
That's right, baby. I just bought this truck straight cash. And I got enough cigarettes to last me and my family for the rest of our lives. I'm rich, biatch!
Hey guys, we're down here in the little eBay workstation down here. I wanted to show you guys some pickups I've gotten from some thrift stores and stuff that I didn't catch on camera. Well, I did catch this really good score on camera. I was in a pawn shop, but some days I go after work, or it's just on a whim. I don't have my GoPro with me, and usually when I could use my phone, but I usually only have a few minutes of video on it because I got so much stuff saved on my phone. But anyways, let's get into this, guys. This was at the Salvation Army I go to a lot. They had a bunch of like brand new toys, and they had this brand new Candyland electronic game. This is from 1999, and they wanted $3.99 for it. This should go for around 35 bucks. last I looked. So that's a pretty cool find. Then we got this Secret Life of Pets. Mikey really likes this movie. I actually like it too, but he's got too much stuff. He'd play with this for like 2 minutes and then be over with. So we got this to flip. It was $4.99. It's brand new. Should go for around $30, I think. So that wasn't a bad pickup. This right here was just a shot in the dark. This is a Coliseum. This is like the famous Coliseum or whatever. The box is dirty. It needs cleaned up. I cannot find info on this. I tried Google. I tried WorthPoint, eBay. It's Colosso, La Lata de Gladiator. I would assume, I guess it's a Spanish toy or whatever. There's what it looks like. It's made by Max Toys. Like I said, I've looked everywhere for this. The box definitely needs cleaned up a little bit. But for $3.99, I took a shot because, like I said, I cannot find this anywhere, so it has to be pretty rare. So that's what we do with stuff like that. We just take a chance, man, you know what I mean? So for $3.99, we grabbed that one. I went over to a Goodwill on my lunch break. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this is probably about the only Seen It game that's worth money. This is a Seen It Friends DVD game. This goes for around like 40 to 50 bucks, I think it was. And Goodwill only had a price of $2, which was shocking. Because that Goodwill can be really crazy sometimes, so that definitely made my lunch trip worth it. So, I was happy with that score. And then we go get into this pawn shop find. I still can't believe it, guys. It's crazy. But I found this movie again. This is called Grind. I've showed this on my channel before. It's worth a little bit of money, like 15 to 20. This one was a Hollywood video rental. The disc was actually in really nice condition. I put it up for 25 just because it's a Hollywood movie rental and see what happens. So, like I said, I think I got 3 of these right now. I got another one listed and one I'm keeping because I actually like the movie. So, this was a workout DVD. Don't sleep on these, man. If they're brand new, some of them go for good money. I sold a Tybo 2 one, brand new, for like 35 bucks recently. This one's the Anarchy workout. Paid a couple bucks for this. I got it listed at 20 free shipping, I think. This was at the pawn shop. This was 99 cents. Also at the pawn shop, we got a Black Ops 1 and 2 combo set for the PS3. That's sold for $19.99, free shipping. I had already listed it. And then it's sold within a day. I paid $2 for it. I couldn't believe I walked up to the case. This is the first thing I always look for when I see PS4 games. Always look for this. It popped in my head before I even looked. And they had like 10 to 15 PlayStation 4 games. And usually all their newer gen stuff is just trash nobody wants. And there it was, guys. Godzilla for the PS4. If you didn't know, now you know. This is a rare game to be on the lookout for. It's really hard to find. Paid $10 for that. And it already sold on eBay for $249.95. Absolutely insane, guys. There it is. There's no manual to this game. We're going to ship this priority for sure. Got package it up real nice. And hopefully the buyer's happy with it. So, it's one of them things where I was like, thinking what if I hold on to it? Will it go up any higher? But what if they crazily re-release it or something? You never know what's going to happen in the future. They've re-released video games before, even though it's PS4. So I thought, I'm just going to dump it now. I love Godzilla, but I don't even have a PS4 at the moment. So there's no reason for me to keep this game. So we'll take the 250 bucks. So that was an awesome score right there. I appreciate you guys for watching the video. Let me know what you think, man. Have you guys ever found that game? And if you knew it, did you know it exists? Well, did you know it was worth that much? used to be like 100, 150, but it's skyrocketed like everything else. So thanks for watching. Drop a comment. Let me know. Peace.